Hello students, welcome to the Nitya classes. In this video, we are going to solve the practice question set 6, fractional number and 4 fundamental operations. Okay, so let's start. The first question is, which of the following fraction is the smallest? Okay, see here, which of the fraction is smallest? So, these are the like fractions. See, where the denominators are same, it means that are the like fractions. Okay, in like fractions, greater numerator will be the greatest fraction and the smaller numerator will be the smallest fraction. We already know now. So, here we have to find the smallest fraction. Okay, so check out the numerators. See here 13, 16, 11 and 19. Here smallest is 11 by 21. So when the like fractions are there, we have to check out the numerators, which is the smallest numerator is, that is our smallest fraction. Okay, so option number C, 11 by 21 is the answer. Okay, next one. Which of the following fractions is the smallest? Okay, but these are the unlike fractions because the denominators are here different. So we have to first convert them in a decimal number. So how we convert? See here, we have to just divide L1 by 13. So see here, L1 is smaller than 13. So we have to take a point and 0 and 13 8s are 104. 110 minus 104 is, that is 6. Again 6 is smaller than that, so we have to take a 0 and 13 4s are 52. 60 minus 52 is 8. Okay, so 0.84. Okay, next you have to other option, second B option. So you have to divide the 14 divided by 19. So see here, 14 is smaller than 19, so you have to take a point and 0. 19 sevens are 133 and 140 minus 130 is 7. So again we have to take a 0 here. So 19 3s are 57. So 70 minus 57 is 13. Okay. So now see, 6 divided by 7. And 6 is smaller than 7, so we have to take a point and 0. 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. So you have to bring 0 here and 7 5s are 35. Okay, 40 minus 35 is 5. Okay, next 3 by 11. So you have to divide like a, so point and 0, 11, 2s are 22. 30 minus 22 is 8 and again take a 0. 11 7s are 77. 80 minus 77 is 3. Okay, so see here 0.84 and 0.73 and 0.85, 0.27. Okay, among us these options we have to check out the which is the smallest fraction. Okay, now check here. After the decimal point, this is the decimal point. After the decimal point, that is a tens place. Okay, you have to check out that now digits. So here 8 and 7, 8 and 2. We have to check here. So which is the smallest here? 8 is largest number, 7 is also largest, 8 is also largest, but 2 is the smallest number. So 3 by 11 is the smallest fraction. Okay. So next. Which of the following fraction is the largest? Okay, which of the following is the largest? Okay, similarly, we have to take the first, convert these fractions into decimal numbers. So, 15, 11, and 11 is smaller than that. You have to take a point and 0. And 15, 7s are 105. And 110 minus 105 is 5. Again, we have to take a 0. And 15, 3s are 45. And then take a 50 minus 45 is 5 and again 0. It means that is continue. Okay. So you have to leave here. So 0.733. Okay. Next divide 13 by 17. So 13 is smaller than that. So point and 0. 17 sevens are 119. 130 minus 119 is 11. So again you have to take a 0 and 17 6 are 102. 110 minus 102 is 8. Again you take a 0 and 17 fours are 68. 80 minus 62 is 22. Okay, next check. Divide 12 by 19. So 12 is smaller than 19. So you have to take a point and 0. 19, 6 are 114. 120 minus 114 is 6. Again take a 0 and 19 3s are 57. 60 minus 57 is 3. Again take a 0 and 19 ones are 19. Okay. And remainder is 11. Again check that 13 by 15. So 13 is smaller than 15. So you have to take a point and 0. 15 8s are 120. 130 minus 120 is 10. Again take a 0 and 18. 6 are 90. 100 minus 90 is 10. Again take a 0. Again that is continue 6 6 6. Okay. So see here. So we have to find out the largest fraction. So 0.733 and 0.764, 0.631, 0.866. Which is the largest here? So we have to check out the tens place digit. After the decimal point there is C 776. These are the all smallest from C 8. So 0.866 is the largest number. So that value will be the 13 by 15. No? So option number 13 by 15 is the answer. This is the largest fraction. Okay. In this way, you can find the largest or smallest fractions. Next one. Fourth. Which of the following fractions is the largest? Okay. Largest fraction, but see here, these are the like fractions because here denominators are same in all the fractions. So when the like fractions are there, we have to find the largest fraction, no? So we know that in like fraction, where the numerator is the greater, then that is the greatest fraction. If the numerator is smaller, that is the smallest fraction. So here 26 is the largest fraction among all. 26 by 17 is the largest fraction among all. Yes, na? So this is the largest fraction. Next one. Which of the following fractions is less than 1 by 7? Fifth one. Which of the following fraction is the less than 1 by 7? Okay. So first we have to divide 1 by 7. Okay. 1 by 7. It means you have to divide and point, take a 0 and 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Again take a 0 and 7 fours are 28. So 30 minus 28 is 2. Okay. So 0 0.14. 0.14, that is a 1 by 7's value. Okay. When we convert the fraction into decimal number. Okay. That is 0.14. 0.14. Okay. Now you have to check out the options. So you have to divide 2 by 9. So point and 0. 9 twos are 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. And again take a 0 and 2, 18. 20 minus again 18 is 2. So that will be continue. So okay, next 6 by 11. 6 is smaller than 11. So you have to take a point and 0. 11 5s are 55. 60 minus 55 is 5 and again take a 0. So L1 4s are 44. 50 minus 44 is 6. Okay, next divide 5 by 13. So 5 is smaller than 13. So point and 0. 13 3s are 39. Remainder is 11. Again take a 0 and 13 8s are 104. 110 minus 104 is 6. Okay, next divide 11 1 by 11. So see here point 1 is smaller than 11. So first we take a point and 0. Okay. Again see 10 is smaller than 11. So again we have to take a 0 here and then put the 0 here. Okay. When we put the point here, we have to take only one time 0. Okay. So that we have to take the again one 0 and now we have to divide. So 11 9s are 99. 100 minus 99 is 1. Okay, again see, again you have to take a 1 0 because we already put the point here. So we 1 0 and we want another 1 0, so that we have to take the another 1 0 here in question. So again, so L1 9s are 99. So 100 minus 99 is 1. Again that goes. Okay. So see here we have the question is that which of the following fraction is less than 1 by 7? Less than. Okay, check the options. That first option's answer is 0.22 and 0.54 and 0.38, 0.0909. Okay. So which is less than this? So 0.14. 0.14 we have to check out which is less than this. Okay. So see here 2 is larger than 1 4. So this is also larger than this. Okay. 3 is also larger than 1. So see here 0 and 9. So 0 and 9 is less than 1 and 4. So option number D 1 by L1 is the answer. Okay, next. Sixth one. Which of the following numbers does not lie between 5 by 8 and 9 by 11? Okay. Again we have to convert the fraction into decimal. So 5 by 8. So first we convert this in a decimal numbers. So 8 and 5 and point and 0. 8 6 are 48 and remainder is 2. Again take a 0 and 8 2 are 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. Okay. This is the value 0.62. Okay, that is 5 by 8's value and 9 by 11. So you have to divide and point and 0 and 11 8s are 88. 90 minus 88 is 2 and then again take a 0 and 11 ones are 11. 20 minus 11 is 9. Again take a 0 and 11 8s are 88 and again that is 2. So leave here. So 0.62 and 0.62 and 0.818. We have to find. Okay, what is that? The numbers does not lie between these numbers. Okay, does not lie between these numbers. Okay, first now we convert the first option number is 3 by 4 into decimal number. So 3 point and 0, 4 sevens are 28 and remainder is 2 and take a 0 and 4 5s are 20. So that comes 0.75. Next divide 5 by 7. So point and 0. 7 sevens are 49. 50 minus 49 is 1 and take a 0 and 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Again take a 0 and 7 fours are 28. Okay, and 2. Now 7 by 11. Okay, 7 by 11. So you have to divide. So point and 0 and 11. 6 are 66. 70 minus 66 is 4, and again take a 0, and 11 3s are 33, and 40 minus 33 is 7. Okay, next 8 by 9. Okay, and point and 0. 9 8s are 72. So 80 minus 72 is 8. Again take a 0, and 9 8s are 72. Okay, and again 8. So we have to find which fraction does not lie between 5 by 8 and 9 by 11. We already convert the fraction into decimal number, no? So 0.62 and 0.812. So we have to check out which number that does not comes between these numbers. Okay, see 6.75. So that is 6.75, and 0.714, and 0.63, and 0.88. So check these numbers. Option number A's value is this 0.75, and option number B 0.714, option number C 0.63, and option number 4 0.88. So which number does not comes between 0.62 and 0.818? So 0.75 comes now, because after the 62 and 81 is there. 75 comes between these numbers. Okay, 1 also comes. Okay, and 63 is also come, because 62 and after that 63, 0.63, and 88. See, when we check the two digits, here 81 is there. Okay, 81 is there, but here 88 is there. So this is the larger from this number. No, 81 is smaller than this number. So option number which not comes here, this one 0.88. It means that value will be 8 by 9. No, option number D. This fraction not comes between 5 by 8 and 9 by 11. Okay, next. What fraction of an hour is 36 minutes? Okay, we have to convert minutes into hour. So we already know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 hour. So we have to convert 36 minutes into hour. So 36 into 1 by 60. So 6 6 are 36, 6 10s are 60, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 3 1s are 3, and 5. So 3 by 5 is the answer. So check out the answers. Options. Option number A. 3 by 5 is the answer. Okay. Next one. Eighth one. What is the descending order of the following fractions? So here we have to find out the descending order of the fractions. See here, these are the unlike fractions, because denominators are different here. Okay. So that the one easiest way to find the descending order of these fractions is we have to just convert these fraction into decimal numbers. So first convert 5 by 7 in a decimal number, and point and 0. 7 7s are 49. 15 minus 49 is 1. Again take a 0, and 7 ones are a 7, and 3. Again take a 0. 7 fours are 28. So 2. Okay, again check that is a 17 by 18. You have to divide. So 18 and 17, and point 17 is smaller than 18. So you have to take a point and 0. 18 nines are 162. 170 minus 162 is 8. Again take a 0, and 18 fours are 72. 80 minus 72 is 8. Again take a 0. That will be the same. Okay. So now divide 11 by 12. So point and 0. 12 nines are 108. 110 minus 108 is 2. Again take a 0, and 12 ones are 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. Again take a 0 and 12 6 are 72 and 8 remainder. So now 13 by 16 you have to divide. 13. So point and then 0 and 16. 8 are 128. 130 minus 128 is that is 2. And again take a 0 and 16 ones are 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. So now see here we have to write down here the answer 714 and then 0.944 and 0.916 and 0.81. Okay. So among us these we have to find the descending order. So now we have to arrange these numbers in a descending order. Descending order means largest to smallest. Okay, we know that. So here which is the largest number? See here 7, 9, 9, 8. We have to check out the tens place digits. So here the largest number is 0.944. So 0.944. Next after this what comes 0.916. After this 0.81 and then 0.714. So this is the descending order of the number. So 0.944 that is 17 by 80. 18 is greater than L1 by 12 and greater than 13 by 16 is greater than 5 by 7. So now we have to check out the options where it says 17 by 18, L1 by 12, 13 by 16, 5 by 7. That is in the option number B. So option number B is our answer. Okay, in this way you can find the ascending or descending order. Here we have to find the descending order. So we have to arrange these numbers in a largest to smallest. Okay. So next one. What is the ascending order of the following fraction? Okay. Similar question, but here we have to find the ascending order. So now we know that ascending order means smallest to largest. So first of all, we have to convert these fraction into decimal numbers. So first convert 7 by 15 and point and 0, 7, 15 4s are 60 and that is 10 and again take a 0 and 15 6 are 90 and that is again 10. Okay, that goes. Okay, leave this and then 9 by 30 and point and 0 and 30 3s are 90 and divide 2 by 5 and point and 0 2 5 4s are 20. Okay, divide 13 by 20. So point and 0 2 6 are. It means 120 to 26 are 120 and then 10 again take a 0 and 25 is 100. Okay, see now we write down here 0.46 and 0.3, 0.4, 0.65. We have to arrange these numbers in a ascending order. Ascending order means you have to arrange these numbers in a smallest to largest. Okay, here which is the smallest? So that is 0.3. First come 0.3 is smaller than ascending order ka sign is this. Okay, ascending order 0.3 and 0.4 after that which is the 0.46 and which is the largest 0.65. So we have to take the that fractions 0.3 it means that is 9 by 30 and 0.4 means 2 by 5 and 0.46 means that is 7 by 5 15, and then 13 by 20. So this is the ascending order. Okay, you can put the sign also here. So this is the ascending order. So check out the options where it says 9 by 30, 2 by 5, sorry, 2 by 5, and then 7 by 15 and 13 by 20. So that is in the option number C. So option number C is our answer. Okay, next. The correct arrangement of the fractional numbers 19 by 25, 19 by 30, 19 by 17, 19 by 27 in ascending order. Okay, but check out the options here. See here, these are the where numerators are same. See here, numerators are same, no, 19, 19, 19, 19. So, in when this type of questions arise, when the numerators are same, the ascending order is determined by the descending order of the denominators. Okay, the ascending order is when the numerators are same. The ascending order is determined by descending order of the denominators. You have to remember this denominators. The ascending order is determined by the descending order of the denominators when the numerators are same. Okay, when the numerators are same here. Okay, when the numerators are same. When the numerators are same, the ascending order is determined by the descending order of the denominators. Descending order means we have to arrange these in a largest to smallest. Okay. So check out the which is the largest fraction here. So we have to check out the denominators. So 19 by 30, and after that 19 by 27 is the largest, no, and 19 by 25 and 19 by 17. So this is the descending order. Okay, largest to smallest. So when we find the ascending order of these numbers, when the numerators are same, you have to remember here, don't get confusion. Okay, when the numerators are same, the descending order is determined by the descending order of the denominators. Ascending order is determined by the descending order of the denominators. So that we have to check out the denominator which is the largest, we have to take first. Okay, it means we arrange these fractions in a largest to smallest. So check out the options where it says option number C. So option number C is the answer. Okay. 11th one, the correct arrangement of the fractional numbers 48 by 50, 36 by 50, 49 by 50, 15 by 50 in descending order. So here we have to find the descending order. But check out here denominators are same. Okay, when the denominators are same, we have to check out the numerators. So here when the denominators are same, how we find the descending order? The descending order is determined by the descending order of the numerators. So descending order means largest to smallest. Okay. So which is the largest number here? So that is 49 by 50, and then 48 by 50, 36 by 50, 15 by 50. Okay. That option number A. And these are the here denominators are same. That's why we arrange these the largest into smallest. But where the numerators are same, then we will opposite. Okay, it means they are asked the ascending order. It means you have to find the descending order of the fractions. When they are asked for the descending order, you have to arrange the fractions in a ascending order. Okay, you have to remember that one. And next, 12th. What number should be added to 6 is to 3 by 5 to get 17? What number should be added to this to get 17? Okay, so that simple. What we have to do? 17 minus 6 is to 3 by 5. When we subtract, we get that number, no added number. So see here. So first of all, we have to convert it in a improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. Now we have to convert in a improper fraction. 6 5 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33 divided by 5. How we convert? You know now, 5 into 6 plus 3 divided by 5. Okay. So that is 33 by 5. So now here is nothing number, means you have to take a 1, and now you have to take a the 1 and 5 is LCM. So 1 and 5 is LCM is 5. So 1 5 is a 5 and 5 1 is a 5. So 17 5 is a 85 and 33 1 is a 33, and denominator is 5 because 1 and 5 is LCM is 5, no? So we equivalent fraction, we have to take a LCM as a denominator. So that is 5. 85 minus 33 is 52 divided by 5. So now we have to, this is the improper fraction. So you have to convert in a mixed fraction. So how we convert? So 5 ones are 5 and 0 and then 2. 2 is smaller than 5. So you have to take a 0 here. Okay. So 5 tens are 50 plus 2. So 10 is to 2 by 5 is the answer. So when we add 10 is to 2 by 5 to 6 is to 3 by 5, we get 17. Okay. So option number B is the answer. 13. What number should be added to the sum of 1 is to 2 by 3 and 5 is to 1 by 2 to get L1 by 56? Okay, what is the sum of these numbers? Okay, first, what number should be added to? It means what number should be added to this sum? It means first we have to find the this sum. Sum means addition of these fractions to get to L1 by 56. Okay, see here. The question is that 1 is to 2 by 3 plus 5 is to 1 by 2. Okay, to get L1 by 5 6, what should be added to? It means here what number should be added to? X. I will take a X. Okay, what number added to here so that the result will be the L1 by 5 6. Okay, so now we have to first of all we have to take the sum of these numbers. So this one. So we know that this is a mixed fraction. So first we have to add the whole part number. So that is 1 and 5, and 1 plus 5 is 6. And you have to take a fraction part as it is here. And then you have to take the LCM of 3 and 2. And 3 and 2's LCM is 6 because these are the prime numbers. Okay, you can directly multiply 3 to the 6. So that is LCM 6. So 6 is 2, here 6 and plus, and here 6, and here 6 3 to the 6 and 2 3 the 6, 2 to the 4 and 3 1 the 3. So 6 is 2, 4 plus 3 is 7, and these are the like fraction. Now we convert the unlike into like fraction. So denominator we have to take 6. So 6 is to 6 by 7 by 6 plus x equal to L1 by 5 by 6. So this is the question, no? What number should be added to here so that the sum of these number, yes, na? Sum of these numbers, when we add something number to this, so the result will be the 11 by 5 6. So simply we have to first subtract, yes, no? X equal to, when we get L1 by 5 by 6 minus 6 is to 7 by 6. It means when we subtract, we get that number, no? So that we have to subtract. So L1 minus 5 is, L1 minus 6 is 5. And see, denominators are same, too. We have to take a 6. And 5 minus 7, that is not possible, no? So this is first fraction is that is smaller. So 5 by 7 is not possible, so you have to take a minus sign here. So 7 minus 5 is 2. So here minus sign is arise. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to divide the 5 in 4 plus 1. Like this we have to take a and 2 by 6. So we have to just divide this whole number into 4 plus 1, and we have to subtract the fraction part only from 1. Okay. So 4 here is nothing, means you have to take a 1, and 1 and 6 is LCM. 1 and 6 is LCM is 6, and 1 6 is 6 and 6 1 is 6, and 6 1 is 6 and 2 1 is 2, and denominator is same 6. Okay. So what get 6? 4 plus 6 minus 2 is 4 divided by 6. Okay. So 4 is to 4 by 6 is the answer. But in option that is not seen. So you have to just reduce this. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So answer will be 4 is to 2 by 3. This is our answer. 4 is to 2 by 3. See, option number A is our answer. Okay. Next. 14. What should be subtracted from 5 is to 3 by 4 to get 3 is to 1 by 2? So see here also we have to, what should be subtracted? It means we have to do is, see here 5 is to 3 by 4. What should be subtracted? So what should be subtracted? That is x. Okay, what should be subtracted? So we get the 3 is to 1 by 2. So this is the question, meaning of the question. Okay, so now what we have to do? See here x here, and 5 is to 3 by 4 minus 3 is to 1 by 2. We have to subtract because they are telling the from. From means you have to subtract this number from this, no? So 5 is to 3 by 4 and 3 is to 1 by 2. So now you have to whole part first subtract and fraction part, and 5 minus 3 is 2, and these are the unlike fraction. So you have to take a LCM. 4 and 2 is LCM. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, and 2 1s are. So 1, 2 into 2, that is 4. LCM is least common multiple is 4. So now here 4 and minus here 4. So what we have to do? This LCM divided by that denominator, that is 4. So that comes 1, and 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So that what will be the answer? That question we will write it here, no? So 1 and 2 2s are 4. So 3 1s are 3 and 1 2s are 2. So what comes? 2 is to 4 as it is, because this is the like fraction. In like fraction we have to take denominator as it is, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2 is to 1 by 4 is the answer. So check out the options. Option number D. 2 is to 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay, this one. Next. 15. What should be subtracted from the sum of 5 is to 1 by 3 and 3 is to 1 by 6 to get 4? Okay. Sum of this 5 is to 1 by 3 plus 3 is to 1 by 6. What should be subtracted? So I will take x. What should be subtracted from this sum? Sum means we have to add. So what we get 4. Okay, sorry. So we get 4. So now 5 plus 3. We have to add whole part and fraction part here. So 5 plus 3 is 8. And again 3 and 6 are unlike fractions. So we have to take a LCM. So 3 1s are, 3 2s are, and 2 1s are. 3 into 2 is 6. That is LCM. Least common multiple is 6. So we have to take 6 here and 6 here, and plus 3. We have to divide the LCM by denominator. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. So 2 1s are 2 and 1 ones are 1. Okay, so what we get? 8 is to 2 plus 1 is, that is 3, 3 by 6. Okay, we get 8 is to 3 by 6 minus x equal to 4. So this is the question, no? So what we have to do is next, x equal to 8 is to 1 by, it means 3 ones are 3 twos are, we can subtract it, no? So 1 by 2 minus 4. So see here, x equal to what comes? 8 minus 4, that is 4, and 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay, sorry. 4 is to 1 by 2. Because this is also whole number and this is also whole number, no? We first subtract the whole number. So that is 8 minus 4. First we subtract the whole part, no? After that fraction part. But here whole part is 8 minus 4. So 4. Fraction part is only one number. So 1 by 2 as it is. So 4 is to 1 by 2 is the answer. So check out 4 is to 1 by 2, option number B is the answer. Okay, next one. 16. What should be added to the difference of 3 is to 1 by 4 and 2 is to 5 by 6 to get 5? 3 is to 1 by 4 minus difference. Difference means we have to subtract. Yes, na? So 2 is to 5 by 6. What should be added to this number? So we get 5. Okay. So first of all, we have to subtract it. So 3 minus 2, first of all, we have to subtract the whole part. After that, fraction part. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1 and 4 and 6 is LCM we have to take, and that is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are, and 2 1s are, and 3 as it is, 3 1s are, and 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 is the LCM. So you have to take a 12 here and minus sign, and 4 3s are 12 and 6 2s are 12, 3 1s are 3 and 5 2s are 10. Okay, so what comes? 1 is to, see here, 3 minus 10, that is not possible, no, because this is a smaller number. So how we subtract? From larger number we have to subtract the smaller number. So 10 minus 3 is 7, but largest number sign is minus. So 1 minus 7 by 12 is the answer we get. Yes, na? So what we have to do is, again we have to subtract this. Okay. So see here, 1 minus 7 by 12 we get, na? So nothing number means we have to take, and 1 and 12 LCM we have to take. 1 and 12 LCM is 12. So 1 12s are, and 12 ones are, and 12 ones are 12, minus 7 ones are 7, and 12. What we get? 12 minus 7 is 5. So 5 by 12 we get. So plus x equal to 5, no? That question, this part, 5 plus 5 by 12 plus x equal to 5. So x comes here, and now you have to 5 by 12 minus 5 minus, it means x when it comes here, so 5 as it is here, and this comes in right side, it means that becomes a minus sign, and 5 by 12, and this is nothing but, again you have to see 1 12s are and 12 ones are. How? It means we have to take the again 1 and 12's LCM, that is 12. We already did here, no? So 12 5s are 60 and 5 ones are 5 and 12 as it is, because we convert the unlike into like fraction. So that is denominator 12. 60 minus 5 is 55 divided by 12. Okay. And you have to just, these are the improper fractions. So you have to convert in a mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, how we convert? 12 fours are 48. Remainder is 7. So 12 4s are 48 plus 7. So this is the answer. So 4 is to 7 by 12. Option number D is the answer. Okay. Next. Find the following product. 9 by 16, 4 by 27, and then 6 by 7. So 9 by 16 multiply by 4 by 27 multiply by 6 by 7. So now first of all we have to find the common factor for this. Okay, so which divides the numbers. Okay, see here 2 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. Okay, 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. That will be cut. Okay, next see 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. We have to divide only numerator and denominator. Okay, not numerator and numerator and denominator. We have to reduce numerator divided by denominator. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. Now 9 ones are 9 threes are 27. So what comes? 3, 3 ones are 3 ones are cut, and in all here in numerator 1 1 1, so 1 ones are 1, and what remains 7 and 2, no, 7 twos are 14, so 1 by 14 is the answer. So option number B, 1 by 14 is the answer. Okay, next, simplify the following expression. 19 by 3 by 5 divided by 3 is to L1 by 15. We know that when the we have to make the fractions division, we have to first convert. These are the mixed fractions, so we have to convert these in a improper fraction. So how we convert? So 5 into 19 plus 3 divided by 5. Okay, and what comes? That is 19 5 is 95 plus 3, that is 98. 98 by 5. Okay, convert this 15 into 3 plus 11 divided by 15. So 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 11 is 56. So divided by 56 divided by 15. So we know that in division of the fractions, we have to reciprocal the second fraction. So here second fraction is this. So we have to reciprocal. Reciprocal means we know that where the numerator and denominator get interchanged. Yes, na? So 15 comes in numerator and 56 comes in denominator. So now we have to multiply. How? So 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. Okay, and 2 28s are 56. 2 49s are 98, and 2 7 4s are 28, and 7 sevens are 49. So 7, what remains? 7 and 3. 7 threes are 21 and 4 denominator. So these are the improper fraction. Yes, na? 21 divided by 4, that is the improper fraction. So you have to convert it in a you have to convert it in a mixed fraction. So how we convert? You have to simply divide 21 divided by 4. So 4 5s are 20 and 1. So divisor as it is, and quotient comes in whole part. The remainder comes in numerator. So 5 is to 1 by 4. So option number D is the answer. 5 is to 1 by 4. Next. How many 1/6 are there in 12 is to 1 by 2? Okay, how many 1/6? When we divide, we get that number, no? So simply we know that 12 is to 1 by 2 divided by 1/6. How many 1/6? We get the answer, yes, na? So first of all, see, this is the mixed fraction, so we have to convert it in a improper fraction. So 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. Okay, and divided by 1 by 6 is already in a fraction. So we know that when we have to divide the fraction part, we have to reciprocal the second fraction. Yes, na? So that is 6 by 1. So 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6. 25 into 3 is 75. So 75 is the answer. Option number D. How many 1/6 are there? 75. Okay. Next. How many 1/10s are there in 14 is to 1 by 5? Similar question. So 14 is to 1 by 5 divided by 1/10. 1/10 means 1/10. Okay. How we write 1/10? 1 as a numerator and 10th as a denominator. 1/10. So we first of all we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 14 5s are 70. 70 plus 1 is 71 divided by 5 divided by 1 by 10. So we know that we have to reciprocal the second fraction. So 10 by 1. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. 71 into 2. That is 142. So 142 is the answer. Option number A. Okay, next. 21. If we divide the product of 5 is to 1 by 4 and 3 is to 1 by 8 by 1 is to 3 by 4, we get the product of, see this, the product of these fractions when we divide the product of these fractions when we divide by this. Okay, by 1 is to 3 by 4. By means this is the divisor. So we get, it means what is the answer. So how we have to do is, see, 5 is to 1 by 4. Product means multiplication. You have to remember that one. Okay. And divide, by means divide. Okay. So that 1 is to 3 by 4. Okay. Understand now? The product of these fractions divided by 1 is to 3 by 4. Divided by means divide by 1 by 3. So you have to take a division sign. So we know that you have to first convert these in a improper fraction. So how we convert? 4 into 5 plus 1 divided by 4. And then 8 into 3 plus 1 divided by 8. And this one 4 ones are plus 3 divided by 4. So how we convert? 4 5s are 20 plus 1. 21 by, I will write it here, 21 by 4 multiply by 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 8. And then you have to take a, if you want to take a bracket here, first you have to multiply and then add. Okay, 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Okay. See here, 21 by 4 multiply by 25 by 8. We know that in division, we have to reciprocal the second fraction. You have to check out this only here. So this is the second fraction. So we have to just take a multiplying sign and you have to reciprocal the fraction. So 4 by 7. Now we know that in multiplication how we do? In simply we have to simplify this. So see here, these 4 ones are cut. And 7 ones are 7 threes are 21 cut. And what remains? 3 and 25. So 3 multiplied by 25 is 75. And here remains denominator as 8. So 75 is to 8 is our answer. But in the option they are given the mixed fraction. So you have to simply divide it. Okay. So 8 9s are 72 and remainder is 3. So 8 as it is and the quotient will be comes in whole part and remainder will be in the numerator. So 9 is to 3 by 8. So that will be in the option number C is our answer. Okay, next. What fraction of a day is 9 hours? Okay, so we know that number of hours in a day is 24. Number of hours in a day is 24. Therefore, fraction of 9 hour is 9 hour in a day is equal to 9 by 24. So that's it. It is easy, no? 9 by 24. Because we know that number of hours in a day is 24 hours. In one day equal to 24 hours. Yes, na? So in 9 hour means in a day 9 by 24. In fraction part we have to write like this, no? 9 by 24. So option number C is the answer. 23. The product of two fractions is 15 is to 3 by 4. If one of them is 4 is to 1 by 2, find the other. There is a one formula like the product of two fractions is. So that is first number into second number equal to product. Yes, na first number. The product is the two product of two fractions is 15 is to 3 by 4. Okay, 15 is to 3 by 4. If one of them is 4 is to 1 by 2, we have to find the other. So that is means we have to find the second number. Yes, na? So how we find? See, you can take a x or question mark equal to 15 is to 3 by 4. This is in the multiplication sign. When we transfer to right side, that becomes division. So 4 is to 1 by 2. Okay. So how we find? So first of all, we have to convert this in a improper fraction. So 15 into 4. How we do? You know that now. 15 into 4 plus 3 divided by 4. So what comes? 63 divided by 4. Okay, this one 2 into 4 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9 by 2. So we have to write it here. Conversion of this mixed into improper fraction. So 9 by 2. We know that in division we have to reciprocal the fraction. We have to take a multiple sign and you have to interchange the denominator and numerator. It means you have to reciprocal the fraction. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 and 9 ones are 9 sevens are 63. So what comes? 7 by 2 is the answer, but they are not given like this, no? So you have to convert in a mixed fraction. So 2 threes are 6 and 1. So divisor here 2 threes are 6 plus 1. So 3 is to 1 by 2 is the answer. 3 is to 1 by 2 is the answer. Where it sees option number B. 3 is to 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. So next. 24th. The product of two numbers is 3 is to 1 by 3. If one number is 3 is to 3 by 5, what is the other number? Same. Okay. First number into second number equal to product. So the product of two numbers is 3 is to 1 by 3. If one number is 3 is to 3 by 5, you have to just put the values in a formula and you can take a second number. You have to find a second number, so you can take a x or question mark, whatever. Okay. So simply you have to divide. So 3 is to 1 by 3 divided by 3 is to 3 by 5. X, when variable comes here, constant 3 is to 1 by 3 as it is, and this is in the multiple sign, no? So when we transfer to right side, that becomes division. So x equal to, we have to convert this in a, first of all, improper fraction. Plus 1 divided by 3. 3 is a 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 3. And second fraction, 3 into 5 in 5 plus 3. 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 3 is 18 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 3 divided by 18 by 5. So this is in the division, no? So we know that we have to reciprocal the fraction, second fraction. So that is 5 by 18. So see here how we divide. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. So again 5 5s are 25 divided by 9 3s are 27. So 25 upon 27 is the answer. Option number A is our answer. Okay. Next. 25th and last. 1/3 of a property is worth rupees 1,500. Find 1/5 of the property. Okay, see here. One third of property is worth rupees 1,500. One third of property. One third of property. Property you can take a x. Okay, one third of the property. They are not given the property's value. Yes, na? One third of means you have to take a multiple sign. One third multiple property is how much? 1,500. Okay, one third of property is 1,500. So find the one fifth of the property. So first of all we have to find the property's value or x value. How we find x equal to 1,500 into, or you can, we will go with the steps here. When we take a variable here, it means x here, 1,500 add this, and here 1 by 3 is in the multiple sign, so we have to divide. It means, see, 1,500 we have to divide means you have to reciprocal the fraction, so 3 by 1. So now 15 into 3 is 45 and 20. So it means properties value is 4,500. You can take a x value or properties value is 4,500 we get. Yes, na, that is property, or x equal to 4,500. X means that is property. Okay. So now we have to find the one fifth of the property. One fifth. See, one fifth of means multiple sign, and 4,500 property means one fifth of property. Okay, understand? One fifth of property. So 5 ones are 5 nines are 45 and 20, and 9 ones are 90. So 900 rupees. 900 is the answer. Option number B. 900 is the answer. Okay. So that's it. Bye.